Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are gonna do something about the look of the car. Probably seen in the title already. We're gonna tint the lenses yellow and switch to the clears again. Some of you might like it, some of you might hate it, but I myself don't really know what to think of it. I'm just gonna try it and see if it looks good, and if it doesn't, I'll just change it again, and if it does look good, I'll keep it. So I'm gonna do this with my good friend Mark. He had a 318 IS before, a silver one. He sold that, and now he finally got himself something proper, and that's a 328. So yeah, I'm probably gonna show you guys the car as well as tinting the headlights, because he is also tinting them. So we're tinting them together. I'm probably also doing some small stuff to his car, but the main focus of today is the headlights and making them yellow. So first things first, to tint the headlights, we need to take them out. So yeah, let's get the headlights out so we can get them tinted. There are, mine is missing this one, but there are 3 at the top, for me 2, and there's 1 down here, 1 down here. But to reach this one easily down here, you need to take this little like cover off. They're all 8mm. Yeah, they're all 8mm, so that's pretty easy. Alright, headlight 1 is out. Looks pretty funny without the headlights. So here we have them. Tomorrow we are gonna go to Mark, and then you'll actually see the tinting of the headlights. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we are here with Mark, with the 328 he has and all the headlight stuff. And we are unpacking my headlights now to open them up and make them yellow. Here we have them. So it should be pretty easy. Just get the backs off. Then the lenses are probably glued on. Yeah, they're glued on. Cut them open, do the foil on there, glue them back in, put the cover back on, maybe clean some bits now that they're open. And then do it again on Mark's car. Put the headlights back in, and then we have yellow lights. So should be pretty cool.
Druk even vanaf, laten we ons warm draaien. Dynamo's en zo.
Done, or headlight. 1 to go. Actually 3 to go, yeah. But Mark is doing all the foiling, so it doesn't matter. So my headlights are almost done. These are, they need a little bit of glue. So yeah, now we are working on Mark, his lights. We just got the lenses out of this one. Mark is working on this one. So yeah, we need to get the glue off, then we can foil it and then put it back together. Overall it's pretty easy, but the foil is just a bit hard to make it like perfect. So there are like little imperfections in the glass, but we see that right now, but probably if you don't tell anyone, they're not gonna see it. So yeah, we're gonna move on to Mark, his headlights, and then on Mark, his car, we can actually install them right now, so you can see how they look. So yeah, let's continue working on the headlights. Okay, we are back home. We installed them on Mark's car, and now it's time to do them on mine. So I get everything laid down here, the headlights and then the clear corners and tail lights, just because I don't think the orange looks that good with the yellow. So yeah, let's just get everything in, and then I can show you the result. So the yellow lights are in. I decided to go with the clears just because I thought the yellow plus orange plus blue was a bit too much color. I might change it later. I might change it back to the what it was before. But for now, I think I just need to see it in the daylight to really see the difference compared to the normal headlights. I think they look pretty cool. I think they look pretty good. Also, of course, when you're switching to clears in the front, you also need to switch to clears in the rear. So, a little bit of an old look. That's how I originally ran with the clear blinkers. So, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. It was a bit simpler than usual, but also fun. And I'm sure a lot of people who are watching also consider getting yellow headlights. So now you know how it's done. It's pretty easy. Just some foil, smack it on there, put it back together. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.